Ashley from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna be doing a review on 2 LadyBoss products because you know what? I haven't really done a lot of reviews lately. I've done a lot of like recipes where I've made like lots of yummy like desserts with protein powder and done lots of like meal prep recipes, but I haven't really done too many like reviews lately. I decided I was gonna do a review video on 2 of the newest products from LadyBoss. So I am gonna be reviewing the LadyBoss protein bars. So the protein bars have been out for a little bit now. So the one I'm gonna be reviewing, today is the peanut butter chocolate chip flavor. Now I know that they do actually have like 2 other flavors as of right now. They have like the cookie dough and they have the birthday cake. And you know what? I am totally a sucker for like birthday cake flavored like anything. Like I freaking love birthday cake. But I live in Canada and it's really hard to kind of get like the LadyBoss products up here. I mean, I can only get them actually because my fiance lives in the US, he lives in Illinois. So that is really the only way I can actually get my like LadyBoss products. Basically, all I'm gonna be trying today is the peanut butter chocolate chip flavored one. I mean, I can probably do videos in the future reviewing like the other flavors, like the cookie dough and the birthday cake, and who knows, they're probably gonna come out with like some other like crazy flavors. That's the first thing I'm gonna be reviewing. The second thing I'm gonna be reviewing is the LadyBoss Lean strawberry shortcake flavored protein powder, which I'm also very excited about because I haven't tried a lot of the flavor drops, again, just because it's been COVID and I can't really get it in Canada. Those are the 2 things that I am going to be reviewing today. So if you guys stay tuned, I'm gonna be giving you my honest thoughts on these 2 things. So the first thing I am going to review is the LadyBoss protein bars because I've had these at my house for a couple days and I'm really freaking excited to try them. So this box was basically $20. It was like $19.99, which is a pretty sweet deal. I feel like $20 for like 10 protein bars is like a good deal. So it says 1 protein bar is 14 grams of protein. I'm just gonna open up the box here. Let's check it out. Let's open it up like so. This is what they look like. I mean, they are a little bit smaller than I expected them to look. Let's take a look at it. So it says that 1 protein bar is 14 grams of protein, which is amazing. 14 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, which is really good because a lot of us don't get as much fiber as we should in a day. Gluten-free and soy-free. So it says no artificial sweeteners, no artificial preservatives, no artificial flavors, and no artificial colors. So 1 serving size is 200 calories. Total fat is 10 grams. Total carbs is 17 grams and protein is 14 grams, which is pretty good. So I mean, the carbs, again, you have some of the fiber in there, which is good. So it is gonna help keep you fuller longer because of the protein, which is 14 grams of protein, which is amazing. You have your carbs in there, 17 grams, so 4 grams of fiber, which again is gonna help keep you fuller longer, and 10 grams of fat. So fat also keeps you fuller longer. It's got a bit of collagen and stuff in it too. Dark chocolate chips, it's looking delicious. Looks like it's sweetened with stevia and monk fruit. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Is it upside down? It's upside down. You guys see a little bit? Comparison to my head. I'm just gonna open the whole thing so you guys can see what it looks like. It smells like peanut butter. Smells delish. All right, should we give it a go? Looks like there's a few chocolate chips in there. Tastes pretty good. I mean, it tastes like a protein bar. You know how like sometimes you like bite into a protein bar and it's just like, I mean, it's not like super soft, but it's like moderate. It tastes like you're like chewing into something. I feel like it has a really good flavor. You definitely taste the peanut butter in it for sure. And it doesn't even have, there's like no bad aftertaste or anything. It actually is really good. I feel like it's sticking to my teeth just a little bit, but I feel like overall it's pretty good. It's definitely sticking to my teeth, but that's okay. I feel like it tastes really good. Like it's not like an explosion of peanut butter in your mouth or anything. It's just got like a really good, like, not really a hint, it's more than a hint. It's like a good peanut butter taste. I don't even know how else to explain it. And the chocolate chips? I mean, I feel like you can't decipher if I'm actually eating the chocolate chips in it, but it just tastes like chocolate chip peanut butter in my mouth. It is yummy. The thing I love about protein bars is that basically you can like put them anywhere. So if you want to keep a couple in your car, as long as it's not like a gazillion degrees outside or it's freezing cold, they're usually okay. Or if you want to put one in your purse or your gym bag, or if you're traveling, those are the best. They keep for like a super long period of time. Sometimes I just eat protein bars if I'm like craving something sweet. Not gonna lie. I feel like it's like a healthy version of like a chocolate bar because it's got the protein and everything in it. I really do like them. I'm impressed. Let's try the next thing. So this is the strawberry shortcake flavored protein powder. So they had this like flavor drop, I think like a long time ago. And of course me living in Canada and all the rest of the stuff, I wasn't able to get it. I've only tried like, which flavor drops have I tried? I think I tried like the peanut butter one, peanut butter chocolate one. And then I tried the brownie batter one, which was pretty good. Anyways, let's try the strawberry shortcake flavored LadyBoss Lean. So let's open it up. We're gonna smell it first. I mean, it doesn't smell strawberry-ish. Kind of smells, I'm not really sure what it smells like. It kind of smells like cake batter in a sense, but not super strawberry right now. So we'll see. We are gonna put it, so I'm gonna put it in this cup. This is like my magic bullet cup that I'm just gonna make into a shaker so you guys can actually see what it looks like. So I got my clear magic bullet cup and I'm gonna put a scoop in with 8 ounces of water because that's what it tells you to do. So we're just gonna do water and see what it tastes like, okay? Hold on, let me grab the water. I know I'm a little bit of a geek because I'm actually measuring out the water, but you know, it's a review. Okay, so we got our cup. We're gonna put in 8 ounces of water. We gotta find the scoop, which I see. Kind of looks like, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Kind of looks like cake batter powder in a sense, I think. Looks a little bit different than like, but I smelled the strawberry. Looks a little bit different than like the regular LadyBoss Lean, just because it's a little bit more, it's like a creamish color or something. Okay, so we have a scoop. We're gonna put it into the cup, like so. I'm gonna put this in so it mixes. We're gonna put it on. Okay, so we got that. Oh my God. Look how pretty that is. Give her a smell. It smells a bit more like strawberry. I feel like it definitely smells a bit more like strawberry shortcake. It's sort of like a hint of strawberry, I think. You see, mixed up pretty good. Let's try it. This is it. It's yummy. You can definitely taste the strawberry in it. I feel like that's really good. Strawberry shortcake. I feel like there's a hint of like, you can taste like the creaminess or something from like the strawberry shortcake. And it's super smooth, you guys. Can you see that? I mean, I feel like there's a little bit of stuff kind of at the bottom, but not too much. Now, when I typically mix up my shakes, I don't usually just use water, but I am for this video just because it is more of like, so you can really taste what the protein powder actually tastes like. Now, when I mix up my shakes, I tend to usually use like unsweetened almond milk or mix it into like a smoothie bowl or just some sort of like smoothie with like fruit and stuff like that. So it tastes really good. I think I'm impressed. Seriously, I think it tastes really good. I like it. I feel like they like nailed it on this one for sure. It's like no bad aftertaste or anything. I feel like it's really good. I'm like impressed. Anywho, that is today's video. If you guys have any questions at all, don't be afraid to reach out at any time. I'm here. Ask me any questions. I think I'm gonna start doing reviews. I can't even talk. I'm gonna start doing reviews more often because they're fun. I like it because I like trying new things. It's kind of like my thing. Anyways, I love you all. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. All right, love you. Bye.